Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and today we're putting together some authentic Mexican street tacos, just like you'd get down in Mexico. I've been down there many times, and I tell you what, it's a lot different than the tacos we get up here in the United States. So I'm going to show you today how to make a real Mexicana street taco that'll knock your socks off. So let's make this happen. All right, folks, here's the lineup. We got some mojo. This is a great Mexican marinade. We got some fajita, flank steak. This is what you want to make. There's the jalapeno. There's the onion. This is what we're going to marinate this meat in. So I'm going to throw this meat into this bowl, put some jalapos in there, or jalapenos, and some cebolla or onion, and mas carne, a little bit more meat. Cebolla. There we go. We got our little marinade going here for our beef, and shake up this mojo sauce. It's got garlic and salt and pepper and a lot of orange juice, and we're gonna mix this up. A little grapefruit, kind of a citrus flavor, a little bit of vinegar. It's really good stuff. Give it a try. Now I'm going to take this, put it in the fridge, and now we're going to start chopping some stuff up, okay? We're going to make the pico de gallo. Pico de gallo, gallo is a male rooster, and pico is the beak, and so that's what the pico de gallo is. So pico the rooster. I'm going to cut up these tomatoes, and just chop them up. Put a rough cut on them, nothing fancy here, just plain old pico de gallo. Throw that mealy tomato part out. Just keep on chopping. Chop. I already did the onions, but didn't want to put you through too much chopping stuff here. Now we got the jalapenos. Like kind of split these up into a couple pieces here. Flip them around. I'll leave the seeds in. If you're afraid of the heat, you can take the seeds out. I like my stuff spicy, man. A lot of people think Mexican food's spicy. I don't think it's all that spicy, but, you know, a couple nice jalapenos. Maybe I'll get a Bravo in there. This will be a spicy batch of pico de gallo. I don't know yet. We'll find out when we taste this thing. After we got all of our jalapenos, whoop, one got away. Put that back up in there, bad boy. Get some more on that onion. Now we're going to put all this in the bowl and cut up a limon or a lime. And now put all the ingredients into a bowl. Very carefully, of course, with your hands thoroughly washed, as always. And once we've done that, we'll get the little crumbles and remnants of our chopping process into the bowl. Waste not, won't not. And then we're going to add some salt. I'd say about a tablespoon here, but little malfunction here. There we go. It's coming out. Put it in there. And then we're going to doll this up with the lime, which is going to bring out all of the flavors of the tomato, the onion, the jalapenos, and cilantro, and really make a nice pico de gallo. Once you get all this mixed up, I'm going to throw this in the fridge, and it's going to really infuse all these flavors and make a really nice pico de gallo for our tacos, mexicano, for la calle. Hey, there we go. Now we're out at the grill. And we're throwing up our fajita up on the grill. Up there you can see what we're doing. Throw this up here. Now you could most Mexicans like their meat well done. I'm more of kind of a medium rare guy, but in the true fashion of a Mexican taco, it's probably going to be cooked medium. That's just the way they roll down in Mexico. I don't know why. They don't like carne cruda or raw beef down there for some reason. Beef down in Mexico is actually better than it is in the United States, I found. So we'll let this go here until we get it on to about medium. I'm going to take a little bit of the jalapeno, doll that up on the top for the cooking process. Let it kind of have some of the juices of the jalapeno and onion infused in the meat. Close the thing down. I'll flip it over. And now there's the perfect piece of fajita. Now we want to cut this cross grain. Grain goes one way, you're going to cut it the exact opposite way. Makes it much tenderer. It really does. That's a pro tip for you. Now we chop this thing up. And I'm not going to show you me chopping up all this meat. You got better things to do than watch me do that. So there's one piece chopped up. Now for the tortillas. Now we're using corn tortillas. They double 2 tortillas in a typical Mexican taco. So we're not going to cook these, not even like soft. They're just going to be just warmed up basically. Set them on there for, maybe about 30 seconds or so. Warm them up a little bit. Flip them over. This is going to be good. Alright. Now, let's prep this taco up. We got the double down, corn tortillas, carne asada. Put that right up there on that taco. And we're going to put up all of this goodness of this pico de gallo. That we could put a radish, we could do a lot of things here. Put some more cilantro on there, some more chopped onion. But one thing is for sure, you got to put some lime on this. Absolutely necessity. And once we do that, you can take your favorite brand of Mexican hot sauce. This is Pico, my favorite. And done. The Taco Mexicano. I'll tell you what, this ain't no Taco Bell taco. This is what you get down when you're in Mexico. I've been all over Mexico. Probably been down there 25, 30 times, driven all over that country. And this is how they make them down there. There's no cheese on there. There's nothing. Sometimes they'll put radishes on there. Man, just all this stuff up with some pico de gallo, maybe some Chula's hot sauce or whatever brand you like, a little lemon, and some nice carne asada. And I'll tell you what, you got yourself a real treat here. These are super soft shell tacos, double down on the actual tortilla, as you see here. Wow, I tell you, you can get these down in Mexico all over the place. I took my wife down there one time. Made her eat one right up the street. It's just like this. We got, the area I live in, there's a lot of real Mexican restaurants that serve this type of taco. And like I said, it's not Tex-Mex, this is just straight up Mexican cuisine. I learned this from a maid when I was working down in Mexico. This is how they do it. At any rate, it's Glenn the Ball Chef. I appreciate all my new subscribers, I really do. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up. Hit that bell. Come back around. See me again. Thanks for watching my Mexicano taco recipe. Really good stuff here. Give it a try. And as always, bon appetit.